Your CIBC Dividend Card comes with the flexibility to redeem your cash back with the on-demand redemption feature. In case you're wondering what this is all about, it's a slick way to redeem your cashback rewards at any time and as often as you want. Your cashback rewards can help you save and offset your everyday credit spending with no limit on how much you can earn. You can redeem all of it, part of it, or let it grow. As long as you have at least $10 in cashback balance, you can make a redemption through CIBC Online Banking or the mobile app. You can check your account balance anytime online or in the app as well. Cashback redeemed will be credited to your account within 5 days and appear in your transaction list. To redeem cashback on your mobile device, just follow the following simple steps. Step 1. Log in to your CIBC mobile app. Step 2. Select your dividend card. Step 3. Click on Redeem $10 or more. Step 4. Enter the amount you want to redeem. Step 5. Click on Confirm, and that's it. Cashback can also be redeemed using CIBC Online Banking. Grow your cashback balance by simply paying for everyday purchases with your dividend card. Every little bit counts with CIBC Dividend Cashback Cards. For more information, visit cibc.com/dividend cashback.